Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how I remove the background of my pictures using only PowerPoint. You know, PowerPoint, it's free when it comes with a lot of laptops. I have never paid for a PowerPoint presentation because it comes with the whole Microsoft Office. So guys, let's get to it. Let me show you how I do this thing. So the first thing that you need to do, open your PowerPoint. So it's up to you. You can just like add a picture, or you can go to your pictures and you copy and paste the picture to your PowerPoint, or the easier way that I prefer is to just drag and drop this picture to your PowerPoint presentation. Right, so I have my picture here. So when you click on the picture, it usually shows you a lot of things that you can do with this picture. You can even put a border, you can have some effect for this picture. Maybe you want to add some glow nyana on your pictures, and also some arts that you can do, or you can change a picture or reset it. But what we are here for is to just remove the background of our pictures. Right, okay, so let me zoom this, guys. My picture is too big, so it's kind of not fitting on the on this. Yeah, so I'm just trying to zoom it out like this. So guys, as you can see here on the side, it shows the parts that are already removed. So some part of me is removed, especially with my eyes and my beautiful lashes on fleek. So I would like to have that back. So what you can do, you can go to this option that says mark areas to keep. So you press there, and then it shows a little pencil that you need to draw over the area where you want to keep. So I'm just going to draw my eyelashes because I want them to appear. I still want to glow even with the picture. Yes, so can you see, guys, here on the side that my eyes and my eyelashes on flick, they are back. So what I need to do, I still need my body back, guys. My neck, I still need it back. So I'm just gonna mark over that area to remove that part, to bring back that part actually. Yeah, so let's do this. Right, great, we are getting there. So when you are marking the area that you want to bring back, you just only clicking where you want the area to be removed. So guys, I'm not sure if you can notice here between my cheek and my earrings, it shows the background of the sofa behind me. So for you to remove that, what you can do is that you can go to the option that says mark areas to remove your background. So I'm just going to mark here. Yes, so now you can see that my earring is, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Let's get to the saving parts, guys. If you want to save your image, you go to files, and then you don't go to save, you go to save as computer, and then you browse the location where you want your picture to be at. So for me, I'm just gonna go to pictures. I just want my picture to be saved on my pictures, right? And then you're just going to go to where it says save as type. On that part, you're going to press that arrow that is facing downward, and then you're gonna look for JPEG, which is file exchangeable format. So it's more like an image. Yeah, So you're just going to choose that one, and then you can maybe write anything for this picture. For me, I'm just going to call it some pic tutorial, and then you save your picture. All saved, definitely. Right, so my picture, guys, the final product, or the final what this is how my picture looks like, you all. This is how it looks like. Yeah, for me, I'm happy. It's beautiful. Like, yeah, it's beautiful, because now I don't have the background. But like, if you want to cut all this part and make it straight, like here down below, you can still do that. So guys, that's it for today. Just drop down a comment below and tell me if you're going to try this method. I'm always available to answer or respond to anyone's comment. So thank you for tuning in.